Q8508. Why are high-tension ignition cables frequently routed from the distributors to the spark plugs in flexible metallic conduits? A. To eliminate high-altitude flashover. B. To reduce the formation of corona and nitric oxide on the cable insulation. C. To reduce the effect of the high-frequency electromagnetic waves emanated during operation. The correct answer is C. High-tension ignition cables are frequently routed from the distributors to the spark plugs in flexible metallic conduits to reduce the effect of the high-frequency electromagnetic waves emanated during operation. These conduits, often made of metal, act as shielding to minimize electromagnetic interference with other aircraft systems or electronics. Q8509. What will be the result of increasing the gap of the breaker points in a magneto? A. Retard the spark and increase its intensity. B. Advance the spark and decrease its intensity. C. Retard the spark and decrease its intensity. The correct answer is B. Increasing the gap of the breaker points in a magneto will advance the spark and decrease its intensity. A larger gap allows the magnetic field in the primary coil to build up for a longer duration, resulting in an earlier spark timing. However, the increased gap also increases the resistance and decreases the energy available for the spark, resulting in decreased intensity. Q8510. What is the purpose of a safety gap in some magnetos? A. To discharge the secondary coil's voltage if an open occurs in the secondary circuit. B. To ground the magneto when the ignition switch is off. C. To prevent flashover in the distributor. The correct answer is A. The purpose of a safety gap in some magnetos is to discharge the secondary coil's voltage if an open occurs in the secondary circuit. It acts as a safety feature to prevent excessive voltage buildup in case of a break or open circuit, protecting the ignition system from damage. Q8511. When timing a magneto internally, the alignment of the timing marks indicates that the A. Breaker points are just closing. B. Magnets are in the neutral position. C. Magnets are in the E-gap position. The correct answer is C. When timing a magneto internally, the alignment of the timing marks indicates that the magnets are in the E-gap position. The E-gap position is a certain angular displacement beyond the neutral position, and aligning the timing marks ensures that the magneto is correctly timed for ignition. Q8512. When internally timing a magneto, the breaker points begin to open when the rotating magnet is A. Fully aligned with the pole shoes. B. A few degrees past full alignment with the pole shoes. C. A few degrees past the neutral position. The correct answer is C. When internally timing a magneto, the breaker points begin to open when the rotating magnet is a few degrees past the neutral position. The points opening at a specific position ensures that the magnetic field in the primary coil has reached its maximum strength before the spark is generated.